Method 1. Position X and position Y. First create the script on character body 2D. Var speed equals 300. Creates a variable named speed and assigns it the value 300, which represents the character's movement speed. Func_physics_process. Delta. A built-in function that Godot automatically calls every physics frame, making it ideal for handling movement and collisions. Position X equals speed * delta. Moves the character along the x-axis by multiplying its speed by delta, ensuring smooth and frame rate independent movement. Position X plus equals increases the X position, so the character moves right. Position X equals decreases the X position, so the character moves left. Position Y plus equals speed * delta right pointing arrow increases the Y position, so the character moves down. Position Y equals speed * delta right pointing arrow decreases the Y position, so the character moves up. Quick tip. Unlike what we usually learn in math class, in Godot, and most game engines, the Y-axis is inverted. Y is up. Now we add input.is_action_pressed. With the input commands assigned in the first video, remember, which will define the conditions that make the respective position change. Let's watch the magic happen. Mission accomplished. Method 1 completed. Check Method 2 and Method 3. See you.